A railroad in northwest China's Xinjiang began operation on Thursday, completing a 2,712-kilometer railway line looping around the country's largest desert, the Toklamacon. The opening of the 825-kilometer Hotan-Ruojiang rail line will enable trains to skirt a full circle around the desert for the first time in the world. The railroad stretches eastward from Hotan City to Ruojiang County along the southern edge of the Toklamacon, the world's second-largest shifting sand desert, with 65% of its length inside the desert. Its construction started in December 2018. 5 viaducts with a total length of 49.7 kilometers lift the railroad to protect it against sandstorms. The opening of this line has brought an end to the unavailability of train service in 5 counties and certain towns in southern Xinjiang and will shorten the travel time for locals. It will also facilitate the transportation of Xinjiang specialties including cotton, walnuts, red dates and minerals to other parts of the country.